This is what I've been looking for. He smacked it. Wait until he gets to the top of the hole. Wait till he gets to the top of the hole. This is it. This is it. There. Now. Yes. That's a pig.
That's huge.
Oh, this is a nice one. Oh my god. Hey guys, we're out here on 11 Mile. It's a snowy morning. There's a tournament out here. We're not in the tournament, but yeah, we got our jawjackers out there. Lost one on the jawjacker. We caught one jigging. We're in like 20 feet right here, and the jawjackers are in about like 10. So hopefully we have a good day out here. It's probably gonna be pretty tough because of this tournament, but let's see what we can get. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh yeah.
Oh shoot.
Oh my god. This is what I've been looking for, bro. He smacked it. He came in so fast.
Oh yeah. This on video?
Yeah. Please don't come on. Two-pound test.
Just take your time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's right here.
He is?
He just swam by. I think you're snatched on one of theirs.
Actually?
Yeah.
Can you guys reel up your rods? Well,
Yeah, I can see it moving.
actually maybe not. Just let the bail out.
yeah,
Just let the bail go. Just open that bail, yeah.
He's good. Yeah, he got one of your guys'.
It's okay, just open the bail.
Yeah, open that
Just
bail.
open the bail. Yeah, and just let him run if he runs again. Dude, this is a big one.
Yeah, check yours too. I've seen two of them. Reel yours in, Dad, real quick.
How big is he?
I couldn't get a good look, but he looks pretty good. Yeah, you're stuck on their line.
Dude, he won't give up. Yeah, just open the bail. Open the bail.
Open your
That's
bail,
why I
Dad.
can't get him up.
Keep your bail open. Jeez, he's not wanting to give up.
Well, it doesn't help when those lines are preventing me from getting him.
He's good.
Oh my god. Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
You getting close?
kinda.
He's all in your guys' lines. He just won't come up the hole.
He's got a lot of fight in him.
Man, just let him fight. Just tire him out.
This is it. This is it. Here, I'm gonna just pull him up a little more. Wait until he gets to the top of the hole. Wait till he gets to the top of the hole. There. Now. Yes. That's a pig.
That's huge.
Oh my god, let's go.
He's all in your guys' lines.
Yeah, damn. Yeah. Oh. Beauty.
Nice.
That's a good one.
Wow.
He was fighting hard. That might be.
That's a thick boy, bruh.
We should say win the tournament.
We should keep that one.
You want to?
Alright, you're good.
Alright. There he goes. Guys, as you can see, we're in 8 feet now. Moved from 20 to 8. We got that big one in 20, but just moved over here and we got this trout traps little chartreuse tube tipped with a little bit of worm. While I was setting up the jaw jacker, this guy had it before he even knew it was on, so he kind of choked it, but just a little stalker. Nothing compared to the other one, but really pretty. Gonna get pliers in this guy and unhook him. Oh! I think he's still there. Oh yeah. Oh! Dude!
He's still there?
Yeah.
Are you in the bottom?
I'm like at like 6, 7, 6.5. He might be gone now. I missed him 3 times. That sucks. It's like such a subtle bite, dude. Oh my god, he took the whole ass thing. He took my whole tube.
Your whole tube?
It's been pretty slow today, as you guys can tell, but from the tournament and everything, but we moved spots. And